Vikram Batra, the one who, got the Kargil heights and died at the topmost height. And what was his battalion's cry, the mantra? It was Har Har Durge or Jai Durge, something like that, something to do with Durga. So the Har Har Mahadev and Om Har Har Durge is a very, very common war cry among the Indian battalions purely because it is mapping to the 8th house.
Hello and namaste, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. My name is Kaartik and please do subscribe and click the bell icon to ensure that whenever we upload a webinar or a video, you are the first ones to know. Thank you so much.
Now the mantra purity or the Mantramala purity or the Rudraksha or the Gemstone purity. Now, why is it required technically to be purified every day? For the same reason that we have a shower every day, or for the same reason that we have a bath every day. And that is precisely the reason why a Rudraksha or a gemstone has to be purified. Also, what happens is most of us have a very, very busy schedule. We are outside, we are living, frankly, multiple lives. Okay, so there are good and bad that keeps happening. For most people who are very Rudraksha, they might have a meeting outside, they might eat non-veg, or they might have a drink, or they are smoking, or they have friends group where there are naughty stuff being shared. So all those things at the end of the day is impacting your Rudraksha, it's impacting your gemstone as well. And to that level, tamas is being originated on a day-to-day basis. Okay, and that's precisely the reason why we have a shower as well, to ensure that we are clean, to ensure that our body is clean. But what about our mind? Our mind is constantly looking at things, constantly on social media, constantly on website, and it's very important for us to understand that we need to purify it every day. Okay, so the simple process is based on what I taught you yesterday. Okay, for strength, you will always go to Shiva. And that's why the war cry, Har Har Mahadev. Nobody says that Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya and cuts the throat. Okay, or shoots. The war cry is associated with Shiva or Durga. Why? Because they are the two deities which are associated with the destruction power. Hence, if you are a keen watcher, there was this anniversary of a great soldier of India called Vikram Batra. The one who, got the Kargil heights and died at the topmost height. And what was his battalion's cry, the mantra? It was Har Har Durge or Jai Durge, something like that, something to do with Durga. So the Har Har Mahadev and Om Har Har Durge is a very, very common war cry among the Indian battalions purely because it is mapping to the 8th house. Okay, so coming back to the purity part, the strength is always associated with Shiva, and your strength is associated with your right hand. Okay, for people who are lefties, maybe left hand, but more or less, more often than not, it is associated with your right hand. Whereas purity is something which is associated with your left hand. Okay, because your left hand tends to become impure more. Okay, so generally what you do is you always keep the gemstone or a Rudraksha on your right hand and cover it with your left hand. Let's say today is morning and I have my shower, get myself clean, and I want to wear the gemstone and I'm ready to wear the Rudraksha or the gemstone. You can keep everything together. If you're wearing a gemstone and a Rudraksha, you can keep both together. Cover it with your left hand and you say a simple mantra which is there on your screen, Om Namah Shivaya. So you can do it for 12 times or 27 times. So let's say for a demo, I'll just do it 3 times. So I'll say Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, and then flip it. So the gemstone and the Rudraksha will come to your left hand and you cover it with your right hand. And you say the simple mantra, Om Vishnave Namah. Okay, that is the Narayan Kavach, if you remember, right? So we will say Om Vishnave Namah, not Namaha. Okay, a lot of time people have this, especially in the North India part. They don't understand the difference between Namah and Namaha. Now that you know Mantra Shastra, you will understand the difference. Because the moment you say Namaha, it becomes 3 akshara and not 2 akshara. And then the whole mantra coding goes for a toss. Okay, so this was an important thing. This you can do it on a daily basis. Okay, so every day you are supposed to purify your gemstone and the Rudraksh, and once a year, you can at least do a proper Rudrabhishek or do a proper sort of a Satyanarayan Katha to ensure that at least once in a year you are gaining the strength in a proper way, doing a proper Rudrabhishek and doing a proper Vishnu Puja or a Satyanarayan Katha on a Purnima day. Okay, for Shiva Pujas use a Krishna Chaturdashi, and for Shiva Pujas and Vishnu Puja you use Purnima. So I think this much is a very, very good knowledge for you. So the picture on the right, if you see, is one is about all your strength, and the picture below is all about purity. And you need both strength and purity to basically achieve something in life, or to actually achieve something without carrying too much karmas around it. Okay, so the process I've already shown you. Okay, so I'm not going through it. It is there for you to read, and it's going to be there. The access is going to be there, and I think the Facebook group is also doing pretty well, because everybody is watching it and asking questions. So the whole objective of having a very process-driven approach and something whereby easy access could be there is definitely achieved. Okay, so follow this process every day. As I told you, every day, there is a corruption which is happening to your gemstone and the Rudraksh. So we wanted that every day you should be able to, in a way like it's more like a factory resetting what we have in a laptop or your mobile, So factory resetting is, where you're taking it back to at least the purity which was there.
Namaste Jyotisha lovers, thank you so much for viewing the video. Please do share so more and more thirsty souls can benefit from this free knowledge which is being shared. Also do subscribe, click the bell icon, and all the questions that you have, please mention in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and please keep supporting us.